Hi, this is Velsreeya from Velsreeya College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to listen about extraction. The first introduction. Extraction is one of the most important unit operation in pharmaceutics. It helps us separate active medicinal constituent from crude drugs. These active components include alkaloids, glycoside, tannins, essential oil, etc. By extraction, we can obtain pure, concentrated, and the usual form of this chemical. Extraction ensure that the medicine we prepare are effective and contain the right amount of active ingredient. Now that we know the importance, let us see what extraction actually means. Definition of extraction. Extraction is a process in which a suitable solvent is used to dissolve and separate the active constituent from plant or animal tissue. The soluble matter dissolve in the solvent and form an extract. The insoluble material left behind is called the mark. In very simple words, extraction means pulling of the useful medicinal chemicals from the raw drug using a solvent. After the definition, let us understand why we perform extraction. Purpose of extraction. Purpose of extraction is done for several important reasons. One is to obtain therapeutic or active substance, to remove unwanted toxic or inert material, to increase the concentration and strength of drugs, to prepare herbal formulation, to improve stability and shelf life, to produce tincture, extract, resin, and essential oil. Overall extraction enhance the quality, purity, and effectiveness of pharmaceutical preparation. Now let us look at the factors that influence the efficiency of extraction. Factors affecting extraction. The efficiency of extraction depend on many factors. Nature of the drugs, type of solvent, temperature of extraction, duration of extraction, solvent to drug ratio, particle size of the drug, amount of stirring or mixing. This factor decide how much active constituent we can pull out from the crude drug. Next, we move to the most important part, classification of extraction method. Classification of extraction method. Extraction method can be classified into two major ways, based on temperature, based on technique. Based on temperature, it is classified into cold extraction and hot extraction. Based on technique, it can be classified in many ways, that is maceration, infusion, digestion, decoction, percolation, Soxhlet extraction, counter current extraction, ultrasonic extraction, supercritical fluid extraction. Now let us go through each category in detail. First, we begin with the cold extraction method. Cold extraction method include two methods, maceration and infusion. Maceration means the drug is soaked in a solvent for 3 to 7 days. Occasional stirring improves extraction. This method is used for tincture, syrup, and herbal extract. Infusion. Hot or cold water is poured over the drug and it is allowed to stand for a short time. This method is suitable for soft plant parts like leaves and flowers. This method are ideal for heat sensitive drug. Now let us move on to the hot extraction method. Hot extraction method include digestion, decoction. Digestion means this is similar to maceration but carried out at a warm temperature of around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Decoction, in this method, the drug is boiled in water for 15 to 30 minutes. Decoction is used for very hard plant pot like root, bark, and seed. Hot extraction gives faster and more efficient result. Now we move on to the advanced extraction technique, that is percolation and Soxhlet extraction. Percolation, this is the most widely used method in pharmacy. The solvent continuously flow through the drug powder in a percolator. It improves strong and highly concentrated extract. This is a continuous hot extraction method. The solvent evaporate, condense, extract the drug and return to the flask. It is used for extracting lipid, alkaloids and phytochemicals. This method are useful for large scale operation. Finally, let us look at the modern extract technique. The modern extract technique includes ultrasonic extraction and supercritical fluid extraction. Ultrasonic extraction to break plant cell wall. It is faster, more efficient, and ideal for heat sensitive compound. Supercritical fluid extraction. It is used for carbon dioxide as a solvent. It gives high purity extract without any toxic solvent residue. It is used for essential oil, flavors, and delicate compounds. This modern methods are highly advanced, eco-friendly, and efficient. Thank you.